Non-cham DAEDANHAE. What does it mean? If you notice, DAEDANHAE is in red letters. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about the word DAEDANHAE. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 317. DAEDANHAE. Again, it's DAEDANHAE. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is de, second syllable is dan, and third syllable is he. Pronounce it with me. DAEDANHAE. DAEDANHAE. The word DAEDANHAE is used to say awesome. This is used to describe something as awesome. Now, how do we write DAEDANHAE in Hangul? It is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable de, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an e character. And then for the second syllable dan, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an a character followed by a nian character. And then for the third syllable he, we need to draw first a hiu character followed by an e character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word DAEDANHAE. Now let's try looking at this example. It says, "You're really awesome." Again, it says, "You are really awesome." The Korean translation of this is Non-cham DAEDANHAE. Again, the Korean translation of "You're really awesome" is Non-cham DAEDANHAE. So if we will look into the Korean translation, it's composed of three words, non, cham, and DAEDANHAE. Non means you and is actually a shortened term for nonen. Cham is used to say indeed or really. And DAEDANHAE, this is our word for today, it is used to say awesome. So when you say non, cham, DAEDANHAE, it's the same as saying you are really awesome. Again, non means you, cham means indeed or really, and DAEDANHAE means awesome. And when we combine these three, it becomes non-cham DAEDANHAE, which means you are really awesome. So looking back at this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of non-cham DAEDANHAE is you are really awesome. And with that, you've just learned DAEDANHAE. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 307 to 316. But don't forget our word for today, word number 317, it's DAEDANHAE, and it means awesome. The first word for our review is word number 316. It's 행복해, which means happy. Next is 예뻐요, which means pretty. Next word is 비싸요, which means expensive. Next word is 식당, which means restaurant. Next word is 은행, which means bank. Next word is 받다. This is a verb which means to receive. Next word is 부탁합니다, which means please do me a favor. Next is 이상해요, which means strange or weird. Next is 재미있어요, which means interesting or fun. And the last word for our review is 똑똑하다, which means to be smart. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.